Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Wallet iCloud Sync on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in Settings, tap on your Apple account profile at the top. Then we go down and tap on iCloud. Next, go to the Apps using iCloud section and tap on the Show All button. On the next screen, go down and tap on Wallet to switch it off or turn it on. If you turn on Wallet Sync, then all of the information will be synced to iCloud. When you want to restore your device, this wallet data can be downloaded from the iCloud. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.